everyone. My name is Oksana Nazarchuk and I work as a teacher and teacher trainer for Grade Education Center. This October, I'm going to present at our great conference and I'm inviting you to attend my presentation on teacher burnout. Burnout is not well understood yet. Some people think that burnout is something to be proud of because that means you work really hard, while others consider it something to be ashamed of because that might mean that you do not cope with what life throws at you very well. Now, that's why we're going to discuss it more deeply and look at what it is, now what symptoms can suggest you are suffering from it, and finally, what everyday minor steps can be taken to overcome it, because really you don't have to leave your job to overcome it. It's enough to do small things every day but regularly, and it will have a far better effect. So see you in October. Bye!